Script. What's good, market warriors? Welcome back to the channel where we decode the stock market's wildest days, and today, March 17, 2025, it's a straight-up brawl out there. The Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq are trying to climb out of the gutter after a brutal stretch, and we've got the freshest analytic data to show you what's really going down. So, let's jump in and see who's winning this fight. First up, the markets are staging a gritty comeback. As of midday today, the Dow's up 273 points, a solid 0.6% bounce, sitting at around 41,761. The S&P 500's clawing its way up too, gaining 0.3% to hover near 5,638 after dipping into correction territory last week. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq's down 0.2%, dragged by some tech giants taking a breather. This all kicked off after a retail sales report dropped this morning, and it's a mixed bag. February sales rose less than expected, up just 0.1% against a forecast of 0.3%, and January got revised down to a nasty 0.9% drop. That's got Wall Street sweating about consumer spending, but here's the twist. The control group sales, the stuff that feeds GDP numbers, jumped 1% last month. So, is the economy tanking, or are we overreacting? The data's saying hold your horses, this might not be as bad as it looks. Now, let's talk Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent dropping some truth bombs. On Sunday, he told NBC the recent sell-off that wiped trillions off stocks? No biggie. He's calling corrections healthy and says he's not sweating the short-term dips. The guy's got 35 years in the game, and he's betting on Trump's tax cuts, deregulation, and energy security to lift markets long-term. But here's the catch, the 10-year Treasury yield's ticking up today to 4.25%, hinting investors aren't fully buying the chill vibes. Futures markets are still locked at a 95% chance the Fed holds rates steady at 4.2545 this Wednesday, per the CME FedWatch tool. If Bessent's wrong and the Fed spooks us, this rally could fizzle fast. And check this, tech's taking a hit despite the bounce. The Magnificent Seven megacaps like Tesla and Nvidia are down 2% as a group today, even with Nvidia's big AI keynote looming tomorrow. Nvidia's slipped 1.5% ahead of CEO Jensen Huang's speech, and Tesla's tanking harder, off 3% after a rough year. The stakes are sky high with Nvidia's $3 trillion market cap on the line. Any whiff of weakness could drag the Nasdaq down further. Meanwhile, 85% of S&P 500 stocks are green today, showing this rally's got some legs, but it's leaning hard on the little guys, not the titans. So, what's the play? Today's a nail-biter. Markets are up, but the VIX is still twitching at 18.7, up 5%, screaming volatility's not done with us. Retail sales got us spooked, Bessent's talking tough, and the Fed's lurking. The smart move? Watch those yields and Nvidia's next step like a hawk. Are you riding this wave or jumping ship? Drop your take in the comments, I'm dying to hear it.